G'day guys, it's Ryan from Big Boots UK here. Just introducing you to the steel blue Park Zip Scuff S3 rated men's work boots. They're newish here to the UK, but me being Australian living in the UK, I thought I'd introduce them to you all. Just a little freebie we give with all our boots. Just a quick look at the outside. You can see the zip there for easy slide on, slide off. This is the sole that's slip resistant, oil resistant, and high temperature resistant as well. You see this is a lower cut boot, 90 millimeters at the low back of the sole. And then you've got obviously the Scuff calf on the top of the boot that will help protect it with a very soft leather tongue at the front. As you see, really well built boot. They are a little bit more pricey than the average boot in the UK, but these will last you 3 or 4 years of good solid work. The zip is an industrial grade zip. It'll fall all the way down nice and easy once you've got 2 hands on it. And then it opens up nice and easy. So it's a great boot for if you're driving or hiking, you need your feet to breathe. It also has that tri-sole technology by Steel Blue, and there's more information on that on our website. Easy to zip back up again. It's these ones, not as much ankle support as the Southern Cross, but these ones have a little bit more freedom around the ankle, as you see the difference between this and the Southern Cross. If you jump on our website, we have a bit of a launch sale going on at the moment for 15% off all boots. So we just want to get the name out there, so we appreciate your support. Cheers.